Greetings! How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Mississippi, United States. Welcome. I am Emre, the webmaster of Cryptocurrencies.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for investors living in Mississippi, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the step in this video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. This is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all the information about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card or your debit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and news. It's so easy. Now we should go this page. List of top cryptocurrencies. So easy. In this page we can get all informations about important cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple and others. And cryptocurrency news. Now, we want to buy Bitcoin. Firstly, we need information about this cryptocurrency. We should push info button. In this page we can get information about Bitcoin. And now we are living in Mississippi, in United States. How to buy Bitcoin so easy. Get BTC button. Let's go.